Camera bugs, part 2, video 134. We fixed the problem. In the center with the 5 key, we do not see any colored edges. Here is 4, here's 5, so this is the left and right. 8 and 2, we have the top and bottom. Then the corners, 7, 9, 3, and 1. We're going around, we're alternating through the corners, top left, top right, bottom left. That is the correct behavior I would expect. Let's look at the code. Inside of shader source number 5, if we scroll all the way up here to look at it, we have made a mistake and fixed it. It was supposed to be VP1, not VP0. I can't believe I was a complete idiot and did this. We made a monkey wrench macro here to make sure that we don't use this variable name. And everywhere where you see a VP0, that was a VP1 in the previous videos. There's a lot of places where I had to make that fix. I've marked them with a 134 for this video number. Let's go to the next section where we have made some changes. In the monochrome stress section, we have made all of the edges red again because those different colors look really horrible, but they were necessary for trying to figure out what the problem was. We've turned all of this off, all of the different edge colors, by just making a define that is not defined and wrapping this code in conditional compilation. We thought the problem might be camwall being a value higher than it should be, so we checked for that, and we didn't find any problems with that. The highest value it should be is the DUM divided by 2 minus 1, because the camera origin is a 2x2 discrete units rectangle that is always within the bounds of VP1. Here's what we did previously. Here's some notes about what I did wrong. Here's some other footnotes. And lastly, here's what we did in this video. And here's what we're going to do next. This has been this playlist here. If you think I didn't go into enough detail, you can go here. You can get the source code here. Email me here. This has been video 134.